deep and quiet forest, there was a kind orangutan named Uru. He loved peace and shared fruits with his friends. Then a small voice came. He stopped listening immediately. What was that? Under a small bush, he found a baby bird. It was wet. It looked tired and scared. Uru did not hesitate. He picked up the baby bird gently. His heart was full of compassion. Have you ever seen the mother bird? I saw her flying around near the stream. My child, Mommy has been looking for you. Mommy! Uru did not expect anything in return. He just